I don't think that's only a hand. And she got the
But-
same thing I got.
Xavier, stop. Xavier, stop. Put it down. Put it down. You've had enough.
Can I see that?
Americus. Americus. What you got?
It's a white box.
Can Mommy have? Americus, can Mama have it? Get to Mama. Thank you.
I do love these. I want this. There's only two of these. Oh, there's only two of these. Plus
Okay.
four. Plus four. Plus four.
Put them back in there. Put the candy back in the bowl.
Can I have it? It's only plus.
Put the candy back in the bowl.
This only plus
Oh, thank
two.
you.
No, this only plus four. Okay?
No, put that back. Americus, pick the candy up. Put it back in the bowl.
I opened it so I can put it in the wrapper.
Americus. Americus. Hey. Put the candy back in the bowl. Me.
Mommy, I put them in there. I did that plus. Mama, that plus. Mama, that plus 6. Because there's only one in that pack. There's only one in this pack. And I opened the pack. I have to put it in the wrapper. Oh, you don't want this?
Help her put the candy back in the bowl, honey.
You ready for one of these?
Americus, you've had enough.